Finally, back in my shitty office. Now I can do my fucking cocaine. Did I refuse it the first time? I'll fucking snort that shit right now. You best believe. On God I will. Hell yeah. Ah, normal. So I'm guessing this isn't supposed to happen. I remember another scene where he's at the oh wow, do you guys like The Shining? Because get ready for this one. Another one where he's at like the motel and he like fucking jumps off the roof or some bullshit. Spacebar, you threw me off there, game. Oh, fuck it up. Zaytoven. Murder. Oh shit. Okay, this is really still going, huh? Oh yeah, do you guys like The Shining?
Your vodka, sir.
I hadn't even seen The Shining yet, and I was like, wow, this is a ripoff of something, isn't it?
You look preoccupied, if you don't mind my saying so. Problems with the investigation?
Blake is convinced that Mars is the killer.
Not you.
Max Payne theme song.
I thought there was some evidence to that effect.
That's true.
He did admit it.
But it just doesn't make sense. His psychological profile doesn't fit. Neither does the geolocalization. I can't see this father drowning 8 victims before
What is in his
own
mouth?
kid.
Are those his teeth?
Mars
Why are
is
they
not
brown?
The origami killer. I'd stake my life on it.
Then who is?
I haven't the
Maybe I
faintest
am.
fucking idea.
Maybe you should review the evidence in your possession.
Wow.
That's just what I was
Thanks.
thinking of doing.
What a fucking great idea.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you-know-what. It can be dangerous. Very dangerous.
I'm trying to keep a handle on it, but that's difficult. It gets more and more difficult.
It'll end up killing you if you're not careful. That would be most unfortunate, sir.
Yeah, 10-4. You're dismissed. With your weird, shiny jacket? What the fuck was that? God, I love gluing screens to my eyes. So you have to intervene there no matter what. Kinda stupid.
Well. Looks like there's something new. The video recording from near the park on the afternoon Sean Mars disappeared. I doubt there's anything on it, but you never know.
Anything. Well, you do never know. Can you do something about that? Let's analyze this bitch. Computer, enhance. 37
Chevrolet
million
model
cars.
corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park, when in the opposite direction at 1637. That could fit the time that Sean Mars disappeared.
1738.
Could it be the killer's car?
Can I geoanalyze? Wham. Nathan. Okay.
Pity we can't see the driver's face.
Can we analyze?
The car was stolen. Let's see. A certain Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it, but the charges were dropped. Not enough evidence.
Okay. Geoanalyze it anyways. Nathan. Stare at that some more, please. Alright. Oh, here's the guy. Armed and dangerous. Oh, armed man, dangerous person.
Jackson Neville, aka Mad Jack,
Black guy is
involved in several cases of buying and selling stolen vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous.
No driver's
This guy
license.
might
What the
have
hell is
provided
that?
the killer with a car.
US
It's a pretty
citizen.
slim lead, but it's all I have right now.
Well, okay. There we go. Mystery solved. It was Mad Jack the whole time.